In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email campaign in Go High Level. Whether you've created a campaign by mistake, duplicated something you no longer need, or simply want to clean up your marketing dashboard, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely remove it. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where the campaign was created. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the left-hand sidebar. From there, go ahead and click on Marketing. This is the main area where Go High Level groups together tools related to your promotions, including emails, social posts, and other marketing assets. After you open the marketing section, look along the top or side navigation within that area and click on Emails. This will take you directly into the email section, where you can see things like templates, broadcasts, and your different email-related options. We're interested specifically in the campaigns you've set up. Inside the email section, find and click on Campaigns. This will bring up a list of your existing email campaigns. Here you should see the campaign names, their status, and possibly information like scheduled times or performance stats depending on your setup. Take a moment to locate the exact campaign you want to remove. It's a good idea to double check the name so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one, especially if you have similar campaigns. Once you've found the correct campaign in the list, move your mouse to the right-hand side of that row. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the Options or More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots for the campaign you want to delete. This will open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take for that specific campaign. From the drop-down options, select Delete. At this point, Go High Level may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the campaign. If a confirmation message pops up, read it carefully to make sure you're deleting the right item, then confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the campaign will be removed from your list and will no longer run or appear in your active campaigns. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently delete any email campaign